how to install ad blockers on your Samsung Internet web browser on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Android 9. So if you have updated to Android 9, then this is the right video for you. Otherwise, you will have to watch different videos for the older version. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then launch the Internet app. From here, tap on the menu key at the bottom. Then tap on add-ons. In add-ons, tap on ad blockers. At the moment, there is nothing installed, so we need to install one. So you can go down the list here. There's quite a few to choose from. So choose one of the ad blockers that you want to use. So I'm going to choose this one here. I can tap on download button and then tap on install. Now you can see I have the option to install more than one. So I will install two and then tap on installed. Now once it is installed, it will sit on the top here under the category called installed. And in this section, you can individually enable or disable each of the ad blocking software. And that's it. So that's how you can install the ad blockers for your internet web browser on the Samsung Galaxy S8 with the Android 9 update. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.